Hi everyone, this is TechBox. Today we are going to see one of the best and cheapest graphics tab available. This is HP Penster G430. This is the cheapest and one of the awesome graphics tab. This is available at $26 in Amazon. I will give the Amazon buying link in the description. With this box, we also get the graphics tab, a graphics pen, a manual, and 10 extra nipples. Graphics tab has advanced battery-free stylus. It has 2048 level pressure sensitivity in it. Tab is ultra-thin with the dimension of 0.3 inch. It is so much portable. So first we have to download the driver. So we have to go to their official site. Here we go. Now go to the bottom of the site. You can see driver download. Click on that. As I am a Windows user, I choose Windows driver. Here is our tab model. Select on the click download button. Here it is start downloading. For Mac user, you can go to this part and as similar, find the model number and click download button. After finishing the download, you will get a zip file which you have to unzip. Then install it. As I already installed it, so I will skip it. We have already installed the driver, so plug in the device. Now here is the driver software. In here, we can see that you can customize our pens button. As I always do that, for upper key, it is Ctrl Y, and for lower key, it is Ctrl Z. This means redo, undo. We can also see the sensitivity of the pen on this tab. See, it's cool. I will show you the better look for it. You can see this. You can also set the active screen on your computer so that it will be lot easier to work. For left or right handy, you can change the mode. To see how it's work, we can use Paint. Here, as I said, to easier our work, we should set our active area for whatever we want to write. Now for testing, I am just selecting a brush, then draw anything. You can see it works so smoothly because of its 2048 level pressure sensitivity. I don't know what I am doing. Just drawing something. Sorry guys. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.